did you give Sam? You give him a hug? You give him a hug?
We never went to camp when I was in school.
Oh wait. Well, you're too old. Back in the day, when you had your, it'd be too much trouble to find a covered wagon big enough to carry all the kids.
Here, you didn't make enough of this dip stuff.
Are you filming?
I know. I thought I was going to make one of them. How old are you?
Friends?
He's like 1 year younger than River. And River's like a giant.
Yeah. River's bigger than Luke, and Luke's a year older than him.
I wasn't old enough to watch Friends. My parents didn't allow me to. Just kidding.
Okay, I was at the store trying to find things that don't have peanuts.
Oh.
I was like, oh my gosh, I don't want to do that. That's so.
What do you? I forget.
Rice
Well,
Krispies
maybe-
treats don't have peanuts.
Right? He won't eat most stuff. He won't eat chocolate.
He doesn't eat chocolate or peanuts.
That's why I made it.
That'd be Jack.
We don't want to
Is it Jake or Luke?
Yeah.
Is it him or Jake?
Jack.
Jack.
You know what?
He's allergic to nuts. I didn't know that.
This happened in summer.
Yes, you did. He was in the emergency room. Remember? I went. What now? Well, I don't think he can go outside. I don't think he can go outside. He can't go outside.
On the outside.
Oh, you want to go outside? Let's go talk to Daddy about that, okay?
But I mean, they're up 3 touchdowns.
It's too good.
Oh, that chicken dip is delicious.
Your mouth is full like you.
Some big hands you got.
When they're all the way on that side.
Say hey, Amy.
They just got to switch off for the game or 3 o'clock.
Where's Sam?
They're not going to get down the field fast enough.
I'm watching.
That pop-